Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to give and get access to customer events in your Shopify store. Managing access to customer data and events is important for tracking behavior, improving marketing, and working with team members or partners. Let's go through how to set this up. On your Shopify dashboard, go to Settings located in the lower left corner. Once we are here, click on Users and then select Rules. For example, if we have a user and we want to give or get access, we can do that here. We can give them access by clicking Storage Settings, where we can customize and set the rules. We just need to check this box to give them specific rules. If we have events like discounts, we can grant access here. We can apply custom discounts, manage them, and get approvals. We can also select permissions for them. We can check all permissions or uncheck them as needed. For inventory, if we want to manage it, we use the CL system here. And for the register, we can also check and get access. Once we are done, just click Save. And that's how we give and get access to customer events in our Shopify store. Proper access controls help us manage data securely and make collaboration easier.